Hey there, welcome in. What if I told you that dedicating just 5 short minutes right now could genuinely transform your English? That's the truth. Tiny, consistent effort leads to massive results over time. And the fact that you pressed play today, that already tells me something about you. You're serious about this. So stay right here, listen closely, and most importantly, say every single word out loud with me. Now, here's what we're going to use. Empowering statements. What exactly are those? They're short, powerful phrases you repeat aloud to strengthen your belief and sharpen your thinking patterns. Your thinking patterns shape everything. When you repeat strong words, your brain begins accepting them as reality. But we're doubling the benefit here. You're also training your spoken English simultaneously. Hear my words, then echo them back. Ready? I am choosing growth today. I am choosing growth today. My attention is fully here. My attention is fully here. Every second counts right now. Every second counts right now. Can you feel that shift happening already? Try this longer one. I am investing in my own future. I am investing in my own future. Wonderful. Now let's connect this to your everyday life. I create space for growth daily. I create space for growth daily. Go ahead, your turn. I take advantage of quiet moments. I take advantage of quiet moments. I transform ordinary minutes into progress. I transform ordinary minutes into progress. I learn while commuting or resting. I learn while commuting or resting. I whisper new phrases throughout my day. I whisper new phrases throughout my day. I catch myself reasoning in English naturally. I catch myself reasoning in English naturally. Small daily words build extraordinary fluency. Are you noticing how natural this feels? Let's strengthen that inner voice now. I am progressing one phrase at a time. I am progressing one phrase at a time. My comprehension grows with each session. My comprehension grows with each session. My pronunciation sounds smoother already. My pronunciation sounds smoother already. English feels increasingly familiar to me. English feels increasingly familiar to me. Now let's aim these statements toward your tomorrow. I am creating a powerful and enduring routine. I am creating a powerful and enduring routine. I will achieve steady and noticeable growth. I will achieve steady and noticeable growth. Results will reveal themselves with patience. Results will reveal themselves with patience. I will communicate with confidence and flow. I will communicate with confidence and flow. I will advance with intention and direction each day. I will advance with intention and direction each day. I will keep my curiosity alive and growing. I will keep my curiosity alive and growing. Patience with yourself is the fastest path forward. I will grow stronger gradually and surely. I will grow stronger gradually and surely. Each tiny action compounds into something remarkable. Each tiny action compounds into something remarkable. My abilities sharpen with consistent repetition. My abilities sharpen with consistent repetition. I will show up regardless of circumstances. I will show up regardless of circumstances. I will believe in this journey even through hard moments. I will believe in this journey even through hard moments. I will extend grace and patience toward myself. I will extend grace and patience toward myself. I refuse to abandon what I have started. I refuse to abandon what I have started. Outstanding work. You just used these minutes brilliantly. If this session helped you, hit that like button and stay connected with English Unleashed Lab for more. Maintain this momentum, protect this energy, and I'll see you right here next time. Take care for now.